All right, here we are again. Milepost 26 on the Ochoco Highway right across from the reservoir. It's looking pretty dry this year. Haven't had a lot of precipitation. But anyway, this is that illegal gate. And as you can plainly see right here, there's a sign right there that says BLM Rockhounding area. This is a public easement going through a little triangular piece of property which does not belong to the gate owner. See, here's the gate. Here, let me get my view. There we go. I've already taken this gate out twice, 2 times last year. And this guy up here, he seems to think this is his private driveway. See, he's got it all posted, no trespassing. I came in here last year. The first time what I did was I popped these off and I just moved it up. See, he's welded that, fixed it, so that I can't do that again. The second time I came in, I just cut the pole. See that? So he came in here and did a very, very poor welding job. Where's it at? Yeah, right there. Look at that crap weld. You can see where people drove over the gate once it got toppled. It's also bolted to the ground there. He did have it powered, but that's not hooked up right now. Let's see, no, those ones aren't welded down. So that one would still pop off, but I think I'm just going to take the posts again. I don't know if he's noticed me yet. I don't have my car here yet. It's over there at the parking area. He very well could be watching me take this video right now. I was kind of counting on it and waiting for him to come down and be vulgar again. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, I'm going to pull the car over here, bust out the Sawzall, and get to work and drop this gate for a 3rd time. Here we go. Alright, here I am back at the car. The gate's way down there. Got the generator all warmed up. It's ready to go. It'll start up with 1 pole. Got a brand new thing of metal blades. That's all ready to go. May as well just plug this in right now. Or I guess I'll wait till I get there so the door don't hit it, huh? Yeah, just roll up and get her done, huh? Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. See how quick we can get this done. Make sure I pull over here. Look for some good cover. But I need to be close enough for the electric cord to reach from the generator. That should work. Keep it running. Find you a good angle and get this show started. First things first, give some easy access for that. How's that gonna look? That should be good right there, right? Let's see, down right there. Try to get you a view of that guy's house. Looks like it'll work. All right, here we go. And there it is. Drive right over the gate. You are free to access it once again. That is a public rock hounding area. Go get them pretty shiny rocks up there. Have a good day. Thank you everybody for all your help.